Well, I've still got some of these colors on my palette. Before they dry, I'm just going to put a little bit of texture in here in the foreground maybe. I'm going to take a little bit of my white. Just a little bit more water. Once that's too much for me, I just take them away. Maybe even take a little bit of my purple or my blue. Oh, sorry about that. This load shedding is killing us. I'm so sorry about that. And when we don't have load shedding, the places blow up, the stations and stuff. So yeah, we're in for a jolly ride at the moment. Okay, I think I like that. Maybe just a tad more here. If I can just stop messing my sky. Doesn't work this morning for my sky at all. Okay, now I'm gonna do the roof. I'm just gonna take cadmium red. Let me just get a little bit out. Just gonna take my cadmium red. I'm just gonna do my roof. I'm not gonna worry about too much shadows there because it's a very little area. I'm just going like in this direction. I just want to extend that area. I think I made it a little bit too low. I wanted to go a little bit more to the up. That it doesn't this level. I don't want it level with the house roof of the house. Sorry. Better. Now I think I'm going to make a washing line. I think right about here somewhere. So I'm just going to take my Paynes Grey. I'm just going to make myself a pole that goes off the canvas. I think it's better like that. A little bit of highlight on that side. While I'm busy with the black, I'm just going to put in my door. I'm going to do a little bit of lines with my black a little bit later. So I'm just going to quickly, I'm just going to make some washing there. Just going to take a big brush and I'm going to make my washing line that it sag a little bit. So I'm just going to put my brush down. I'm just gonna go all my brushes wet. I'm just gonna take that a little bit off there. Then I'm going to take my white and maybe a little bit of blue. Just going to highlight some areas a little bit more. I usually don't do a line because I feel I don't like that. I'm just gonna pretend there's a line. I'm just gonna highlight that one a little bit more. I don't want it blue, I want it white. You can take your blue and your yellow and make yourself green. Just want to make a little bit of greenery here and there. Not too much. Here and there, just to give a suggestion. There's something going on there. I think I'm almost done. Before I do the final touches, I just want to make a little bit of a step there. Maybe just darken it a little bit underneath the step. Okay, I think I'm almost done. I'm just going to take my little brush and I'm just going to take my Paynes Grey that's left. I've got a few colors left. Yeah, I'll see what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to quickly do a little bit of dark edges here and there. side of the door and on the window, just to give it a little bit more. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can get future uploads of my videos. I enjoyed painting this for you, and yeah, you must have a wonderful day. See you next time.